items, it's divided into two as well. One will be yung mga galing talaga sa province na dinala ko dito. And the other one is yung mga in-order ko online. So we will start with the things that I ordered online recently kasi hindi siya available sa province. So first are this. Yan. So I have two kinds ng bayong. I already have this kind. And this one will be used for my cosmetics or for my dresser. But this will be used for my bawang. This one is for the bawang. This is for the sibuyas. And this is for the patatas. I already have, as I mentioned, I already have this basket, this bayong. For now, ginagamit ko siya to hold my, for now, perfume, cologne, iba-iba. So, nandun lang siya sa ibabaw ng dresser ko. And it is perfect to organize my things. So I got this a long time ago. And it is a very inexpensive na material to organize my things. At ang cute pa. So, bumili ako nito. Kailangan ko pa siyang ibilad. Mas gusto ko yung brown. If you're going to compare it with this one, green pa siya. At medyo mababa. Ay, hindi naman pala. So, green pa siya. I want this brown para hindi siya amagin or gano'n. So, for only 40 pesos, you will be able to have something that will hold your vegetable on top sa counter and very pretty pa siya. So, yeah. So, for now, binibilad ko siya silang 5. So, I only need 3. But since it is available in different sizes, I got this small na 2. So, this will be used to hold my makeup sa dresser. So, iba yung purpose niya. So, like that. Yan. And this one. Next is, I also got this. Hindi ko to balak bilhin. Nasama lang siya. I already have a bigger one nito. I actually don't know kung saan ko ito gagamitin. At lumilipad-lipad pa siya. But it is very cute. It is very inexpensive. Probably sa sewing corner ko, I will use this to remove yung mga loose na thread. So yan. Very cute. Very nice. Magkakasama to. Kaya nabili ko to. Because I need to play. Got 5 of each. Yung coaster. And then the need to play. Ginagamit ko siya as patungan ng mga miniinit na kawali, kaserola, kaldero from the rice cooker para ma-protect yung mesa or yung tiles sa init. So this is just very inexpensive. Look, napakakapal niya. Wala kang specific na design na mapipili, but that's fine. See, magkakaiba sila. Dark combination, light, and ba't 4 lang to? Here's the other one. Medyo green and yellow. So again, I want to collect them all. I want to get them all in different, para may red. Meron na akong ganito, madami na akong ganito, but that's fine. We love our need to play. Aside from that, I also ordered this coaster. Kailangan natin ng coaster para protektahan ng ating lamesa from the condensation or pag mainit si tasa. So yan, we have. And this. So 5 siya. Very inexpensive. I will just share the link below kasi nga I ordered this online. This is also available sa province kaso during the time out of stock siya. So we have 5 beautiful coasters. These are very beautiful, very inexpensive na you can add sa ating kitchen to protect the wood, the tiles, and maganda pa siya tingnan. Last item that I purchased online is this one. This is a very cute na beach bag or summer bag. We'll be traveling soon and I will be needing something to hold my phone, something to hold the wallet, etc. So this is the cutest one I found online. I also checked sa province, pero masyado silang elaborate. Masyado silang magaganda. So, I just want a simple one like this. So, this is very beautiful and available siya online for only 200 plus. So, meron din siyang string at meron siyang inner pocket na isa. So, this is very cute like this. And let's check without the strap. So, yan. Hindi nakikita, but it's fine. So, it's very pretty and lightweight and made from abaka. I think abaka. And we have this inner lining, as I've mentioned, that will protect our things inside. So, hindi siya basta-basta madudukot. Pretty, isn't it? Let's continue with the things na binili talaga from the province at dinala natin dito. So, we will start with this very beautiful na mug from the DIY store. So, I visited DIY again and nakita natin to. This is very cute at I love the color cream and I always buy as much as possible 2 na mugs or plates or cups, whatever, para pair siya. At also, we have an extra if in case mabasa. So, very nice. So, this is our first. So, yan. Today! We also got this na maliit. This is also from DIY store. I already have a strainer. I actually have 2 kinds of strainer. Yung medyo malaki nito, wider yung diameter, and the bigger one, yung parang colander. But I also need this pag gagawa lang ng sausawan at kailangan ko yung maliit lang to strain yung seeds ng kalamansi. So this is the perfect size. And this is also from DIY store. I forgot how much. I think less than 50 pesos lang to. So yan. Aside from this, yung nito from online, we also got this. Ta-da! This is less expensive as compared to this. Kasi this is just 20 pesos. Natawaran ko ng 20 pesos. But this is not parang strong or thick enough to hold yung mga sobrang iinit na kaldero at kawali. So that's why we purchased this. But if you're going to compare, halos pareho lang sila. And we got 4. Aside from that, we also got the flat one. Kasi ito medyo pa-curve. Ito talagang flat na flat. This is 60 pesos. Makikita mo yung sa likod niya. And ito yung nasa front. So this is placemat. But it will be used the same as ganito. Patungan nung mga, ang dami nating patungan. But bihira lang tayo umuwi, so we have to imbak para if in case masira. At we can also use this as decor sa kitchen. So, got this new basket. If you will check my video sa room, ang dami kong basket na ganito. Pero we need one kasi this will be used for market. Sa pag-market natin. So, yung currently na ginagamit natin ay medyo maliit na. So, we will be needing one na bigger para sa ating palengke. So, yan. So, this is 250 pesos. But, maganda yung ginamit niya. Currently, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, maliit na siya. This is also from the province. That's why we will need a bigger one para mas madami tayong madala. So, I prefer using this rather than yung mga plastic or eco bags. So, isn't it pretty? Aside from that, we also got this. Tawag namin dito ay tuktukan or tadtaran. And I already have one, but this will be used dun sa sobrang lalaki na kailangan ng reinforcement, just like this. Kasi baka masira yung sangkala natin. So this is 100 pesos. I'm not sure kung anong kahoy siya, but very big, thick, at mabigat. So very nice. Yung main event ng haul na to is this one. So we finally have our own kagudan. The main problem here is palagi tayong nasisiraan nung nyog or hindi available. It's not readily available as compared sa province. That's why one of my to-do list or things to buy pag uwi ko ng province is to finally get my own na kayuran. Very useful, very inexpensive kesa sa bibili ka ng nyog every time and then i-freeze mo so it's no longer fresh. What I have to do is to purchase my own nyog from the market, mga buo pa, so I can drink the coconut juice, my freshly grated or kayod na nyog using this. I purchased this for only 280 pesos and this is the best purchase among this pile. Kasi I will be using this at before pa ako umuwi, talagang gustong-gusto ko nang magkaroon at bumili ng gito. Now, we can have our own nyog, freshly kayod na nyog, anytime we want and we need. Since kailangan natin buksan yung nyog, bumili din tayo ng ganito. So, this is our 400 pesos na nyog, tinawaran ay nyog, bolo. So, bumili tayo ng bolo. This will be used mainly para i-open yung nyog. So, just be careful. So, medyo may mga kalawang po siya. That's fine. So, mas gusto ko, madami siyang available. Yung pahaba at yung ganito. I prefer yung wider na ganito kasi mas may force tayo pag mag-open ng nyog. So, as I've mentioned, this is the one that I use to open or to crack the coconut open. So, this is 400 pesos. Actually, mas mahal siya sa in-expect ko. Akala ko mga nasa 100 lang. But, we have it. So, yan. So, we're down to the last 2 items. Ay, 3 pa pala. 3 items. So, this goes hand in hand with our kayuran. So, I am very happy with this purchase, especially yung kayuran, because mahilig tayo sa mga may gata. I also purchased this. Bicol Express. I already have 3 na walis tambo, but I usually use the vacuum kasi sipika. But we got 1 extra na bago na walis tambo. So, nakatago pa to kasi hindi pa natin siya kailangan. At meron pa siyang sili-sili dyan. So, I got this. This is actually a planter, a terracotta planter. Pero, gagamitin ko siya as ihawan. Meron siyang butas dyan, but that's fine. So, this is 50 pesos sa town. At ang gusto ko sa kanya, palagi ko itong mga nakikita sa mga nagba-barbecue. So, this will require lesser na charcoal and concentrated lang siya dito na part. Kasi the current one that I have is this big. So, parang nandun lang lahat sa gilid yung uling. So, sometimes nag-crave ako ng mga inihaw na liempo. So, this will be perfect. And, aside from this, I also got this parilla for only 50 or 60 pesos. Ang kailangan ko lang gawin ay ipatong dyan. And then, if I need to add charcoal, I just need to remove this. Hindi katulad ng isa na naka-attach kasi siya dito. So, I have to flip it like that. So, tatanggalin ko pa yung inihaw. It will be more convenient. Here, if I want to add uling or charcoal, all I have to do is to just lift this and then dagdag. Tapos concentrated pa siya. This is actually available in 2 sizes. This is the smaller one. Pero sakto lang siya. Look. Yan, imagine. Easy peasy. We will still use the metal if in case madami tayong ihawin. Or let's say if we will need to ihaw an entire bangus, so hindi siya kasya dito. So ito lang yung mga liempo na maliliit, hotdog or whatever na kailangan kong ihawin. So this is our improvised na ihawan. Wait lang, I will share one more thing. This was purchased last year, pero until now, hindi ko pa siya ginagamit. Wait lang. So this one was purchased also kung saan ko to hindi. Yeah, kung saan ko to binili, I have a favorite na tindahan sa province, sa town. At doon ko to binili. So, protected by Mr. DIY. So, let me just share this. This was purchased last year pa. And this is very beautiful. Terracotta din siya. Palayok. Pero, it's like this. Usually, ganito yung sinasabi ko ng mga ginagamit for ihawan. But, wider yung diameter dyan. Oh, I forgot. Nandito pala siya. Yung ating. I'm not sure if I shared this before. Pero, this will be used in the future as lagayan ko ng asin. Kasi ayoko nung asin na basa. The current one that I'm using right now is glass. Pero, ito ang gagamitin natin in the future. So, ganyan siya sa counter. So, very cute. Lagyan nga natin ng asin. Kulang pa. So, that's it. Thank you so much for watching Mama Bull. See you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!